Hello team, I am Sandhya Nagrajan from Catnip Infotech Private Limited. So I'm here to propose a good solution, which is a friendly solution and all-in-one solution for a remote maintenance, support, home and office presentations and collaboration. So that is just called TeamViewer. So I'll present you what are the features of TeamViewer and how exactly you're supposed to use TeamViewer on your systems. So going to the next slide. So, what exactly is TeamViewer? It is a friendly all-in-one solution which helps for remote maintenance, support, and home office presentations, which is very simple, fast, and secure over internet. So this can be used for a lot of different collaborations between teams in and out, since we have this critical condition, COVID-19, which is a major issue, pandemic, which is going all over the world. So it might not be a serious fact to go to office and still work. So you can access other systems or your present partner systems or any of the works that you can still do sitting in your home. You can still do it with a secure way. So this is one of the solution. So next would be telling how to control, how to have this control. So when you actually buy a solution, there would be some solid points which you have to consider for buying a particular solution. You would check for the smooth operations that would help through the team viewer, and you also would look for a highly secure way of handling all these things, and you would check for a better pricing factor and simple to install and use. So I would explain how exactly this all-in-one solution is helping out in TeamViewer. So most of us competitors will have different packages. So they support like server administration, home automation, presentations, meetings, online training, and teamwork. All of this would be of different packages. But in TeamViewer, we have all these factors bundled up into one particular solution and given to us. So this is quite affordable application that you can actually use. So this will be like an all-in-one friendly solution that you can install it on your system and run it super easy. So next would be, how do you see this as a smooth operating system? So the biggest problem would be when you're using an application, you have to see it works behind the firewalls also. So you don't want to have that application to be blocked because of the firewall issues. But TeamViewer is certainly, finds your partner even through the firewall. So this is one of the best solution which we can propose. So next would be about how exactly secure it is. So this uses 1024-bit RSA key exchange module and 256-bit AES session encoding, which ensures the exchange of any file or any video or any sort of a communication that happens on the system from one computer to another computer, which is providing to be very secure over the nature. So this ensures security as also one of the good factors. And this comes with very better pricing than other solutions which we have. TeamViewer pricing is unbeatable. So we have no hidden costs as such and no service contracts in the mid. So this will be like a really good and a competitive happening price, which you can see in the market. Going for the next, we have how exactly this is simple to install and use. So next, simple to install and use. So this is very easy GUI. You can just download the TeamViewer, which is a full version on your system, and you can start using it on and on. So a user cannot or do not have to like break his head to actually know how exactly he wants to start over with the TeamViewer. So there are like simple three steps which I can explain you over how to use. Going for the next, I will explain you how are those simple three processes which you're supposed to follow to have TeamViewer set up on your system. So when you want to share your partner's system on appearing on your laptop, you just have to download TeamViewer on your computer, which is a full version of a control room. And you have to also ask your partner who, in accordance to you, also to download the TeamViewer, which is a full version remote control room. When you just open it, you will see a partner ID and a password which is given on one TeamViewer platform. When you share that to your partner, you will have a secure exchange of communication between two internal systems. So you can also have a lot of features like video exchange, chat exchange, and transfer of the videos from one end to another and over a secure way. So So these are like the three bullet points that you have to note down to have a team viewer setup on your system. Going for the next slide. So how exactly TeamViewer will help you to visualize your ideas and save up your travel costs and time? So this enables a video, which is like simplifying the communications all over. Like a customer can sit in one end and another end, he can still communicate over the video. This helps you to reduce the travel costs and also helps you to reduce the time that you have to spend on travel. And the next one would be voice over IP. So using voice over IP is to communicate with another person to share the files with a secure way of exchange. So this is possible in TeamViewer, which is very much appreciated because security plays a very good role as it is asked by a lot of people. So this would be proposed as a better solution for them. So we have conference call. So want to present your ideas and call several participants at a time. So you can use TeamViewer as an inexpensive solution for proposing this conference call as a good idea. Going for the next, we have a quick connect, easily starting the TeamViewer connection by just having one software present on your system. You can present your image. You can present whatever you want to present in just a quick connect format. So we have application selection. So select an application that you want to demonstrate to your presentation participant by reducing the essential messages of information and no confidential information displayed to that person. So it just can give easy access to what exactly your partner would be wanting to see. That's it. So we have computers and contact list also. So TeamViewer has this computers and contact lists. You always see which one of your contacts are like accessing at the given part of a time. So one click on the mouse, you are connected to another person with an instant messaging app. So you can actually use that in the business level rounds as a team package. So these are the features which are involved in TeamViewer. So going for the next, I will explain you how exactly the licensing models will be. So we have three versions, which basically comes as a business model TeamViewer, professional model TeamViewer, and enterprise TeamViewer. So these are the three things which we would be checking for. So when you see or talk about how exactly or what exactly are the key factors which differs between the three versions, we have only the licensing part. So everything else remains the same. So in the licensing part for a business model, we have only one computer usage and an extension for installing. So a lot of other computers can still use it, but only one use is recommended. And the hosts are unlimited. Over the professional model of TeamViewer, we have one user and unlimited hosts. We have flexible from any workstation. So this can be used over any stations. So we have enterprise level, which is the last part. So we have three users, which is flexible for the workstation, and we have unlimited hosts again. So these are the three models which can be proposed for licensing. So hope you find TeamViewer as the best solution for your institution. So we'll help you how to basically have you set up with the TeamViewer. Thank you.